taking that down.
Yo, bro, not, bro. Yo, what you doing, bro?
You wildin'. What the fuck you want? I'm playing money in there, nigga. Trying to crib to get pranked, nigga.
That nigga had a check, he went broke, and then he sold his watch. My auntie was a smoker, so on the first I'm at my own spot. Put this fucking beam on top of your face, shit like a polka dot.
YouTube.
What's good, man? It's your boy, man, Spaz. Back again with another video, man. Hey, I know I'm being quiet right now, yo. But guess what? I got another prank for y'all today. Yes, sir. Damn. Another prank for y'all, boys. You feel what I'm saying? I'm dressed right now, feel me? But the prank I'm doing today is gonna be the car wash prank. Or rolling the window down during the car wash prank. I'm doing it on my little brother, man. So listen, I'm gonna do this. I just told my little brother we supposed to be going to the store. You feel me? Supposed to be going to the store, getting some food. Lo and behold, we not going to the store. You feel what I'm saying? We going to the car wash. You feel what I'm saying? I had to get my car washed anyway. But my brother, I think he's already dressed now. But we about to leave. Take him to the car wash, and I'm gonna get his ass, bro. Should be a W prank, I'm not gonna lie. And the whole time, the nigga just woke up too, but he gonna be tight, bro. I ain't gonna lie. He gonna be mad, bro. He might wanna fight, I ain't gonna lie. But listen, if y'all haven't done so already, man, make sure y'all smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. Make sure you comment down below WRL prank, man. Comment down for a little more videos. Comment down video ideas. Comment down how y'all feel about the video. Comment down how y'all day going. Comment down if it was good, if it was mid, if it was bad. You feel me? I respond to all comments, man. W videos, got more videos on the way. You feel what I'm saying? Make sure you ring that noti bell so you know every time I drop a fire video for y'all, you dig what I'm saying? But without further ado, man, we ain't even gonna do too much talking. Let's get right into the video.
Alright, y'all. In the wheel right now. Got a little bro in the cut with me and shit. You feel what I'm saying? We about to slide to the store right now. Feel me? But y'all stay tuned to the vlog and shit. Y'all stay tuned to the vlog and shit and all that. You feel me? But I try to prop that shit up on the drum, but that shit ain't get done. I ain't gonna lie. But y'all stay tuned and all that. Y'all let me know what kind of videos and shit y'all want me to drop, bro. Cause I mean, like I said, bro, I got other shit in the tuck for y'all, bro. You feel me? I got other shit in the tuck waiting to be dropped that I already recorded. But y'all gotta let me know what y'all want to see, bro. Cause you feel me? Y'all my people. Whatever y'all want to see, that's what I'm gonna drop, bro. Regardless. So that's how we come up with that. You feel me? But yeah, man, when we pull up to the store, I'm probably gonna pick y'all back up. It's a couple of stops that we do gotta make before we go there. You feel me? So I'm just vlogging that though, so y'all can see that. You feel what I'm saying? But I hope y'all enjoy the vlog. You feel me? Y'all stay tuned. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all fuck with the boy. Make sure y'all tune into all the past videos that I already dropped. You feel me? But y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all be blessed. Y'all stay safe. I'm gonna pick y'all back up when we get there. Alright, y'all. First stop we making, man. We at the Sav. You feel what I'm saying? Stopping at the Sav real quick, man. Nothing too crazy. Might go in here, probably grab some snacks, get some bread out. Feel me? Want some smoothie shit. Don't mind the water coming out of my hair, yo. I just got out the shower not too long. Alright, I just gotta continue to break it out. Feel me? But after this, after we leave from here, y'all, that's when the prank gonna start. We're going right to the car wash. We're going right to the car wash. We're gonna get this thing. Get this thing in the kids. But we outside. got beautiful day outside. Hair looking crazy, but fuck it. We grinded, pouring out content, getting the vids out for y'all. You feel what I'm saying? Cut. Pronto number 9. Pronto number 9 on your fucking cut. You feel me? If y'all drunk any, matter of fact, fuck drinks. If y'all had any food in the past 72 hours, man, make sure you smash that like button. No kids out, man. If y'all had any food in the past 72 hours, man, make sure y'all smash that like button. Make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. Feel me? All that. Join the nation. Join the family. Feel me? On the road to 100 subscribers, man. We're gonna get there, nigga. If you ain't on the team, nigga, you losing, nigga. If you're not with us, you against us. All that, nigga. You feel what I'm saying? Good. Alright, y'all. We get you where we going. We'll pick y'all back up. Y'all stay tuned to the vlog. Stay tight, stay smooth. Feel me? Be right back. Alright, y'all, we in the car wash now, man. Feel what I'm saying? We about to get the car washed. Feel me? Appreciate you. About to be shoovy. Feel me? Yeah, y'all stay tight, y'all stay tight. Feel what I'm saying? Going through, man. Going through, man. Great. Taking that down.
Yo, bro, I'm not bad, bro. Yo, what the up, bro? Not fucking doing it, bro. Yo, what you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro? Yo, what you doing, bro? Yo.
Yeah. Yo, get the seat, bro. Get the seat, bro. Get the seat, bro. Chill, get the seat, bro. You wildin'. What the on, nigga? Oh, I was just. I'm playing money in there, nigga. Ah, nigga! Yo! Oh, yo! Ah, nigga! Yo, what the fuck? You wanna know the crazy part? You wanna know the crazy part? No, what, bro? We ain't even had to go to the store. I just brought y'all to the crib to get pranked, nigga. W fucking prank! Hey, look! Hey! Ah, that nigga got, nigga. Fuck out of here. Hey, yo. I ain't gonna lie. Niggas gotta go. Yo, bro. What? Give me that Randy, bro. Yo, look at this seat, bro. Bro, you got ice cream in the seat, my nigga. Bro. You literally got. Yo, bro. Bro, you is wildin', my boy. Snapping, my boy. Yo. Oh, snap. Yo, bro, W prank down in the... Yo, I need a W prank down in the comment section, man. I ain't gonna lie. I got my whole world wet for this shit. I need a W prank down in the comment section, you feel me? Straight like that. Appreciate it. We got the whole... Yo, not like, bro. Man. Hey, yo, this shit was crazy. I ain't gonna cap. This shit was wild, y'all. Hey man, listen, if y'all fuck with the prank, man, if y'all fuck with the video, man, make sure y'all drop down below W prank, man. Y'all want more pranks like this, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Weekly content for y'all. You feel me? It's working, man. But hey, how you feel about the prank though, my boy? How you feel about the prank though, my boy? You feel like you got? Feel like you got my boy? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, he hot right now. I ain't gonna lie, he hot right now. Nigga, you always gotta be on 10 when you around me, nigga. Fuck you talking about? Nigga, you get caught lagging and you start swimming with the fishes, nigga, for real. You gotta be on 10 when you around me, nigga. That's a fact. Hey man, comment who y'all want prank next, man. I got a whole hit list, man. Feel what I'm saying? I had to get GB cause you feel me? I had to get my get back cause you felt like you already knew the prank last time. You remember that? Yeah, nigga, it's that GB, nigga. It's the get bag! It's the get bag! But hey man, that's gonna be the end of this video, man. I ain't gonna lie. W video on my eyes, can't lie. You feel me? But if y'all fuck with the vid, man, like I said, man, make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all like. Make sure y'all comment, man. Make sure y'all ring them noti bells so y'all know every time I drop a fire vid for y'all. You get what I'm saying? But tune in next week for the next video, man. And without further ado, man. Yo.
Yes, bro.
Yo.
We out, bro.
We fucking out of here, man. No cap, no cap.
Back your rap nigga out in public, take his ice off him. My left pocket all blue, look like the Nightcrawler. Pulled up in some shit super fast, cause I don't like walking. I like counting cash and drinking lean. I don't like talking. Go ahead, make the wrong move. I swear this shit gon'